Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about more events in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. There are many other events in JavaScript that can be used to interact with web page elements and respond to user input. Here are few examples. OnChange event. This event is triggered when the value of an input element is changed by the user. This can be used to validate form input, update other elements on the page, or send data to a server. Here is an example of onChange event. OnKeyDown event is triggered when a user presses a key on the keyboard. This can be used to capture keyboard shortcuts, respond to user input in real time, or control the behavior of an element. And here is an example of onKeyDown event. Onmousemove event is triggered when the user moves their mouse over an element. This can be used to change the appearance of an element, display a tooltip, or track the position of the mouse. Below is an example of onmousemove event. OnResize event is triggered when the size of the browser window changes. This can be used to update the layout of a web page and adjust the size of elements, or display different content based on the size of the window. And below is an example of onResize event. OnLoad event is triggered when the web page and all its resources have finished loading. This can be used to set up the initial state of a web page, load data from a server, or display a loading spinner while the page is loading. Below is an example of OnLoad event. These are just a few examples of the many events that are available in JavaScript, each with its own use case and behavior. By using a combination of these events and event listeners, developers can create dynamic and interactive web pages that respond to user input in a variety of ways. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.